Hello students, welcome back to the tutorial on database management system. Today we will talk about the concept of keys in DBMS. What are the keys in DBMS and why we need the keys in DBMS? Okay, there are different types of keys available in DBMS that we'll discuss in later class. Today we are going to learn about just the concept of keys in DBMS. Let us start. What is mean by keys in DBMS? Keys in DBMS is an attribute or set of attributes which helps you to identify a row or tuple in a relation. Last class we already studied in a relational data model, data is in the form of a table or relation. Here the table contains number of rows and columns. The row is known as a tuple and the column is known as an attribute. Okay. So what are the keys in DBMS? Key in a DBMS is an attribute or set of attributes. Here we just remember it is an attribute or set of attributes which helps you to identify a row in a relation. Okay. So key is used to identify a particular row or tuple in a relation. So it has a unique value. Consider here an example. Here this is an employee table. Okay. Employee database. It contain employee ID, first name, last name. Then which is used as a key? Here employee ID is a key because it has a unique value. Okay. So when we have to find Andrew record from the database or from the table, we have to use the ID number 11 because it is unique value. Okay. The name is not a unique value because there is another person who has also name Andrew, Tom, Alex. Okay, there are duplicate names available or present here. Or the last name is also sometimes similar. So here ID has unique value. So this unique value set as a key to identify or to find a particular record from the table. So key is a single attribute, a set of attributes. Okay, here in our example, employee ID is a single attribute or single column. But sometimes we have to use the combination of two attributes as a key to identify a particular row or tuple in a table. Okay. For example, here we can use first name with his phone number. Okay, first name with his phone number as a unique. It gives unique value. It is used as a key to find the particular record. So, key in a DBMS is an attribute or set of attributes to identify a row in a relation. They also used to find the relation between two tables. What is mean by to find the relation between two tables? Consider an example. One is student table and another is lecture table. There is a connection between the student and the lecturer teach the subjects to students. Okay. So to find the relation between these two tables, we have to use one key. Okay. So key is also used to find the relation between two tables. It will help you to uniquely identify a row in a table by combination of one or more columns in that table. Okay, fine. Here, I already explained one example. Here the given example, employee ID is a key because it uniquely identifies an employee record. In this table, no other employee can have the same employee ID. Okay, employee ID is a unique value. Okay, for every employee has one unique ID. So it is used as a key to identify a particular tuple from the table. Okay, tuple means or record. Here three records are here. First one is the employee ID 11, second is employee ID 22, third record is employee ID is 33. Okay. So here employee ID is a unique value. It is set as a key to find a particular information related to that employee. You understood? Here I consider another example. Here the students, it is a student table. It contains 4 attributes. What are the attributes in it? SID, student ID, S name, student name, S branch, student branch, S Gmail. Okay. So SID, S name, S branch, S Gmail. 4 attributes are here. Then how many records are here? 4 records. First record is related to Anu's. Okay, Anu's. The student name is Anu. Second record represent Arun's information. Third one is related to Arun's who studied in CS department. Okay. Then fourth one is related to the information John. So here we have to need one unique ID. Okay. To find particular record from the table. We can't use S name as the ID to find a particular record. No, because here Arun, the duplicate names. Okay, 2 times the name Arun comes here. So the name S name has duplicate values or same values are present here. S branch also has a same values. Okay, CS, here C, CS. So it can be used as a key, but Gmail, it is a unique value. Okay, for each person has different Gmail ID, and SID is also unique value. For each person has a unique SID. So key means it has a unique property that is used to identify a particular record in a relation. Okay, here employee ID student's ID. Okay, student's ID is a primary key. Okay, or key in a relation, and Gmail is another key to find a particular record. Consider another example. We have an Aadhaar number, passport number. These are always unique value. Okay, so it is set as a unique attribute to find a particular information related to us. So just to remember, keys in a DBMS is a single attribute, a set of attributes that has a unique property to find a particular record from the table. Okay, sometimes it is a single attribute like a passport number, Aadhaar number. Sometimes it is a combination of attributes. Okay, 2 or more attributes are included in a key. Why we need a key? Okay, key helps to identify any row of a data in a table. In a real-world application, a table could contain thousands of records. Moreover, the records could be duplicated. Okay, I already showing example the names repeated in different records. So, the records could be duplicated. Keys ensure that you can uniquely identify a table record despite these challenges. So, it allows to establish a relationship between 2 tables and also identify the particular record from the 2 tables. Another cause is it enforces identity and integrity in the relationship. Okay, because of that we need a key in DBMS. In today's class, we just learned what are the DBMS keys and why we need the keys in DBMS. In the next class, we will discuss about the different types of keys in DBMS. Okay, thank you for watching.